How to withdraw money from Upwork. Hey everyone, in this video I'll guide you through the steps to withdraw money from your Upwork account. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the upwork.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the report section on the main menu. And here you can view your earnings and account balance. In the report section, look for the withdraw funds option. Click on it to begin the withdrawal process. You'll see different withdrawal methods available, such as direct bank transfer, PayPal, or Payoneer. Select the method you prefer for withdrawing your money. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, so make sure to check your account balance to ensure you have enough funds. After entering the amount of money, review the details of your withdrawal, including the fees that may apply. If everything looks good, confirm your withdrawal. After submitting, your withdrawal request will be processed, so depending on your chosen method, it may take a few hours to several business days for the funds to appear in your account. To keep track of your withdrawals, you can go back to the report section and click on transaction history, and here you can view all your previous withdrawals. And that's it. You now know how to withdraw money from Upwork. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching.